This is going to be a video on how to use Cybox. So we created Cybox last semester to try and incorporate a new system for uploading basically any kind of file you want, upload multimedia especially such as pictures and videos, but you can also upload other things such as Word docs, PowerPoints, Excel sheets, PNGs, basically whatever you want. So to start, this is what Cybox's kind of login screen looks like. If you're a part of Iowa State University, which obviously all of us are, you can just use your network username and your passcode. So if you can't find Cybox immediately, which a lot of people can't, you can just go to iostate.edu, and then although it's not at the top of the page, you can just go to the directory, scroll down to C, and then boom, hits you to the same page. So if you hit continue, since we are part of Iowa State University, you'll use your ISU net ID as I stated before. So obviously like KT Duncan, blah, 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 blah. And then my passcode, and I can just sign in. And then again, if you don't know what your net ID is, it's just like the beginning of your Iowa State email. So once I hit sign in, it'll automatically take me to the home page, if you want to call it. So it obviously keeps all the files that you want stored, I guess. I don't know, it's all visible, so nothing ever gets deleted without the owner or the co-owner's permission. So if we hit the AOPI folder, you can see all the files. Megan Dunham created it May 1st. You can see that it's a box note, which you can just create so people can see what you want to say overall. So Cybox, the reason we use it is because it can hold a lot more storage than Google Drive. It is a lot more efficient than Google Drive, and as well, it's just a part of Iowa State University, so it's designed specifically for students to use, as well as upload multiple mass files, if you want to say. So we're going to start with the subcategories. You can see there's 5 different folders currently. So summer 2016, spring 2016, which was last semester, the current fall recruitment video for this upcoming year, I think. This is last fall, so this is the sophomore pledge classes first semester in-house. And then fall of 2016, which is this semester. So a little bit about it, it's kind of self-explanatory. It says 16 fall for the subcategory. It was updated yesterday by the user, which was me. And then currently it has 589 files, and altogether those combine as 3 gigabytes. So if you want, you can hit share this folder and it'll go to that. And then you type in the email if you want to share it to yourself. You can hit the ... which means you can download the entire folder, which is huge. You can share it, you can manage collaborators, which most of us won't need to do, or you can just find out the general information if you hit properties. And then on the right side, you can see all the collaborators. So we'll have a list of every single one of the members, and we'll eventually add all the newly initiated members in, and you can see everyone is a viewer uploader, which means they can view stuff and they can upload things. And currently only 3 people are co-owners: Megan Dunham, who created the Cybox, Miranda, who is the president, and then Emily Cowles, who is our communications. So if we hit 16 of fall, you can see obviously then that subcategory divides into different subcategories. So we have the self-defense sisterhood, Big Little, homecoming, pumpkin carving, and Rifter. So again, you can see all of them say when it was updated, who it was updated by, and then how many files. So if we hit one of them, like pumpkin carving, all these images show up. There's 1 of 2, so obviously that means 2 pages, which I hope you all know. And anyone who has access to this folder can view any of the images. So you can literally just hit any one of them, and then you can scroll to the next page, go down, and each individual file size will also be said versus the overall file size, which was earlier. So this one is 209 gigabytes. upload it. So, great picture. And then you can also download it if you want. And that'll download immediately to your page. So if we go back to 16 of fall, most of the time there will already be a file for whichever particular event you're looking for, or whichever one you want to upload an image into. If not, then you can create a new one. So if you create a new folder and you want to type in, say maybe AOPI 101. So folder will be created, and then you can just hit that folder once it's created and upload it. Okay, so as I said earlier, you can upload any type of file that you want to upload. So if you hit upload, then you can hit file, or if you hit new, you can see that you can upload a Word doc, PowerPoint, or Excel. So again, you can upload any file that you want. And then if we go to homecoming, you'll see one of these is a heck of a lot bigger than the others, 629.5 megabytes. So if we click on the M4V, it will show eventually. It'll show an M4V, which is currently what it is the Yellow Kel video. Oh, yep, now it shows. Okay. So you can see Ginge uploaded this on October 24th at 2:50, and it must have taken her a little while to upload it, but compared to Google Drive, this uploaded probably 5 times faster than it would have uploaded in Google Drive. And that's one of the main reasons we're using Cybox, is also for the recruitment video for Great Visit Day 2017, as well as Primary Recruitment 2017. So we can upload multiple videos and multiple mini movies, so we can help edit them quicker and faster, more efficiently, and then just move on to the next one. So if we go back to 16 of fall, you can see I tried to upload one of these images. Didn't work so well, because when I tried to move it to Big Little Reveal, it says I do not have the required permission to upload it. So that means if you try and upload an image just to the overall folder, you will be able to, but you won't be able to move it or delete anything. So you can't delete stuff once you add it. So make sure whatever you're uploading is appropriate for that certain category, but it's also like what you want to upload. So the only people who can actually delete stuff are the owners or the co-owners. So yeah, if you have any questions, you can ask anyone who knows it, but especially like Megan Dunham knows it really well. I know it really well. I think Emily Cowles knows it pretty well, just because she's a co-owner. Miranda too. But anyone who's a co-owner should know it pretty well. Other majors use it besides architecture, but we just know it really well. So yeah, I think that's it.